Game of Thrones fan art.
Welcome to Drawing with Julie Glenn. Alright, let's get started.
In honor of the final season of Game of Thrones coming out, I'm doing some quick fan art. Today we'll be doing Daenerys, the mother of dragons. And of course we start out with a quick sketch. This is her on the ship. And I thought it would be cool to have the dragon kind of wrapping around this circular picture of Daenerys. To finish off that circular effect, I added some flames going around the left side. And if you go to the description, you'll find a link to my finished line art. And of course, my battery died, so you didn't get to see me do all of my line art. This video was so long. I'm using one of my favorite Arteza portable watercolor paint sets on this piece. And if you check my channel, you'll see that I did a review on this paint set earlier, if you'd like to check that out. I don't know why, but these boats really reminded me of Moana for some reason. So now I'm wanting to do a Moana painting. I'm sure my 3-year-old would love that. Did some layering for the skin tone, so I started out with a very pale wash of this kind of very light yellow, and then I go in with the more tans and add the shading. I get better at remembering to do more of my shadows on my watercolors here. Get that shading on the neck and around the eyes.
Looking good.
All of a sudden, magically, you'll see the water was painted. Yeah. This video being so long, I really need to get an extended plug for that new camera I got because I switched between filming with my iPhone and the new camera. I'm sure with practice I will get better at videotaping these. I tried keeping that sky really light to differentiate between that blue and the water.
I like the way the watercolor worked on that dress.
I had fun painting this dragon, getting all the different shades of the brown, and then I go in and add some orange on the tips of the spikes. You've got a lot of really cool depth, but of course my favorite's when we get to the fire, which will be coming up soon here. Kind of did a gold shadow on those horns. I didn't really want to leave them white or just gray. I think that gold worked out a little bit better. Look at the wings, they're really almost kind of translucent. You can see through them, you see all these cool veins. So I went through here and did a wash of different shades and colors with the orange, the dark brown, the lighter brown. Get onto that long, cool, spiky tail to wrap around the boat here. Spikes on here, they all have like little orange bits in between those stripes. Like with that little leaf of skin that stretched in between each spike. That orange really added a nice accent, almost like the reflection of the flames on the skin. I laid down a lot of water so I could just drop in little bits of that like black and like a really dark brown, and then move that orange paint around to get that smoky effect. Then I just continue to just keep adding water and playing with the textures. That's my favorite part of this painting. Now I just want to paint fire and flames. I think it just turned out so cool. I added some cool character to the flame and made some drips on the bottom. Add a little bit more to it. Finish off that circular shape, I added a nice bit of smoke, heavy wash, plenty of water on the right side there to get those cool smoke lines going up the side. love it. Cool. If you guys try to color this or paint it with the free printable I linked for you, then I would love to see it. You can find me on Facebook under Drawing with Julie Gwen, same as the page name here on YouTube. Just doing some final little shading touch-ups there on the dragon, and then of course I have my stash of napkins I put over the main picture, and I'm going in and doing some splatter paint with some dark orange. It makes it look like sparks. Oh, that turned out cool. On each one of my videos I do an avatar of my 3-year-old daughter Molly. Today she is dressed up as Daenerys, mother of dragons. And she loves popping her head in over here whenever I'm making videos, and she loves seeing herself in the videos. Daenerys wouldn't be quite complete here without a little dragon friend on her shoulder. There she is, baby Daenerys. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a good day.
The video, don't forget to like and subscribe.